Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I'm going to explain local and global variables in Python. Okay, so basically, what is this global and local variable is nothing but the access of the variable. It will be whether it will be on inside the function and outside the function. So this will be the total thing we have to understand in the local and the global variable. Okay, the declaration will be outside the function or inside the function. That is nothing but the access or the declaration of the variables is known as local and global variables. Okay, now first let's see global variable. Okay, so first in global variable we have to understand that global variable will be declared outside the function. Okay, it will be declared outside the function. Okay, and one more thing, in the global variable we can access the variables throughout the program. Okay, this one more advantage we have in a global variable, where we can access the variables throughout the program. Okay, and this is second point. Now let's see a simple example of this global variable. Okay, yeah, so now just I'll write a function called display. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take one variable a and I will assign some values as 30. Okay, and just I will print this. Okay, I will print and I will call the function. Okay, now I'll be getting output as 30. You guys can see I got 30. So this is nothing but a global variable. Global variable. Okay, this is nothing but a global variable. Okay, no, if I execute, so second point, so first point is like it will be outside the function, and second point what I said, we can access throughout the program. Okay, the second point which I told is can access the second point, right? Now let's see the second point. Okay, so I have declared 30 outside the function. Okay, now if I print after after the function, you guys can guess the output will be getting as output as 30. One more time. Okay, so we can access inside the function, we can access both outside the function. This is nothing but the program can be like the variable can be accessed throughout the program. Okay, I hope like these 2 points are understood. Okay, so outside the function the declaration will be outside the function, and throughout the program we can access it. Okay, this is nothing but a global variable. Now let's see a local variable. Local variable, local variable is nothing but here we will be declaring inside the function. Okay, declaration will be inside the function. Okay, let's see an example for this. Okay, we'll create one function as display, same as the above. Now I'll take a variable a is equal to 50. Okay, a is equal to 50, and I will print a. Okay, I'll print a. Now just I will call this function. Guys can see the output as 50. Okay, this is nothing but a local variable. Local variable where declaring inside the function is known as local variable. Okay, now guess what guys, so here I said the second point throughout the program, but in the local variable we cannot throughout the program. Okay, just if I print here, if I print a, we'll be getting as, okay, you guys can see the output as, so we got 50 inside the function, and outside the function what we declared we got as error. So name a is not defined. Okay, the advantage in Python is like it will be checking line by line, right? So because of that, first it will be calling, then it will be goes here, it checks, it will be printing 50, and again it comes to this and will be getting error. Okay, this is nothing but a local variable. Okay, yeah. So now I will merge this both local and global variable. Okay, so you guys can see here display. What I will do before that, I'll take variable is equal to 50. Okay, and again I'll take b. Okay, b is equal to 30. Okay, now what I will do, just I will print just I will print b. Okay, just I will print b. Now just I will call this, I'll call this, and I'll print this a. Okay, you guys can see the a has been printed as 50 and b has been printed as 30. Okay, so this is nothing but global variable, and this is local variable. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys have understood about this local and global variable. If you still have any doubts, please comment down below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah. Thank you.